Maniac. The Maniac is an exciting and adventurous motorhome built for those who love exploring anywhere, no matter how tough the terrain. Designed by a Turkish studio in collaboration with a local amusement ride company, it's constructed on a strong Mancat 444 truck, giving it the power and durability to reach remote locations with ease. Inside, the Maniac feels like a cozy mobile home. It has a fully equipped kitchen where you can cook your meals, a stylish bathroom with marble tiles, and a flexible sleeping and lounging area that adapts to your needs. Whether you're resting after a long day of driving or preparing a meal, the interior is designed for comfort and convenience. The outdoor features are equally impressive. The motorhome includes a unique terrace that can be raised or lowered, perfect for enjoying fresh air, scenic views, or entertaining friends. Its smart design balances rugged capability with modern style. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium is a luxury off-road caravan that combines comfort, style, and adventure in one smart design. At 6.5 meters long, it strikes the perfect balance between a compact trailer and a high-end motorhome. One of its most exciting features is the double kitchen setup. You get a full indoor kitchen plus a slide-out outdoor kitchen, so you can cook indoors when it's cold or take the fun outside on sunny days. Inside, the clever layout makes room for 2 adults and 2 children to sleep comfortably, giving families plenty of space to relax after a day of adventure. To make things even better, you can add a diesel heating system, ensuring your trips remain cozy even in chilly weather. Built with independent suspension, the Mars 15 Premium handles rough terrains with ease, making it a reliable companion for off-road explorations. Its sleek, space-inspired design adds a futuristic touch that makes it stand out wherever you travel. Priced at around $58,000, it offers impressive features for its value. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or enjoying a family getaway, the Mars 15 Premium makes every journey more exciting and comfortable. Mink 2.0, compact, stylish, and perfect for adventure. The Mink 2.0 is a smart and stylish mini caravan built for people who love exploring but don't want to compromise on comfort. With its bright yellow trim, eye-catching alloy wheels, and signature round doors, this camper instantly grabs attention on the road. It's built on a strong Alco chassis with a solid monocoque shell, making it both durable and reliable for long journeys. Step inside, and you'll find a warm and cozy interior that's designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. The double bed comes with a soft artificial leather headboard, offering a relaxing space to rest after a busy day outdoors. One of its best features is the large panoramic window above the bed, giving you the chance to enjoy breathtaking views and even stargaze at night. At the back, the Mink 2.0 has a compact yet practical kitchen under the tailgate, complete with a sink and handy storage for your cooking supplies. Movistar Cycling Team Tour Truck, comfort and performance on the road. The Movistar Cycling Team Tour Truck is a powerful support vehicle built to meet the needs of professional riders during big races like the Tour de France and Giro d'Italia. It works as a mobile workshop on wheels, fully stocked with spare bikes, wheels, tools, and all the gear the mechanics need to keep the riders' bikes in top condition. No matter the stage or terrain, the truck ensures the team is always ready for quick repairs and adjustments, keeping the riders at their best. Beyond its role as a workshop, the Movistar Tour Truck also doubles as a home away from home. Inside, it's equipped with a kitchen, dining area, and sleeping quarters, giving riders and staff a place to eat, rest, and recover between demanding race stages. This makes traveling from one stage to the next much more comfortable, while also keeping the entire team close together and well organized. Nomad Pro. The Nomad Pro is a unique mobile office designed for remote workers who want more freedom and flexibility in their daily lives. Research shows that people working from home often feel happier and more productive, but it also reveals a big challenge. Work and personal life can blend together, causing stress and burnout. The Nomad Pro was created to solve this problem by offering a comfortable workspace that travels with you. During the day, it serves as a modern office equipped with everything you need to stay focused and efficient, no matter where you are parked. When the day is done, the space transforms seamlessly into a cozy bedroom, giving you the chance to rest and recharge without ever leaving your mobile setup. Built inside a strong and reliable truck, the Nomad Pro allows you to set up in the city, the countryside, or even the middle of nature, giving you a fresh environment whenever you need it. Pallet Shelter. The Pallet Shelter is a smart, fast, and practical solution for creating compact housing quickly. In 2020, the company built an entire camp of 60 houses in California in just 10 days, showing how efficient these units are. Each shelter can be assembled in just 1 to 2 hours. Polydrop's P17X Explorer, off-grid adventure made easy. The Polydrop's P17X Explorer is a modern and rugged version of the classic teardrop camper, built for travelers who love going off the beaten path. Unlike regular campers made only for smooth highways, this compact trailer is designed for dirt roads and rough terrain. With 29-inch all-terrain tires, independent suspension, and protective rock armor, it offers great stability and durability, letting you explore nature without worry. Its raised ground clearance makes it ready for tough trails, giving you the freedom to camp where most can't. One of the most exciting features is its eco-friendly, all-electric design. It's built for sustainable travel while keeping comfort at the center. The four-season weatherproof cabin ensures you stay cozy year-round, whether you're chasing summer sunsets or enjoying a winter adventure. Prevost H345. The Prevost H345 VIP is a luxury motorhome built for travelers who want comfort, style, and ease on the road. It offers a smooth and quiet ride thanks to its advanced independent suspension system, making every journey relaxed and enjoyable. Inside, there's plenty of space for passengers and belongings, with generous underfloor storage that allows for custom conversions or extra luggage. One of its key features is the Prevost Power Management System, which improves energy efficiency and extends battery life, so you can stay powered for longer while traveling. The H345 VIP is powered by an eco-friendly Volvo D13 engine that meets strict EPA emission standards while offering excellent fuel economy, combining performance with environmental responsibility. Both the interior and exterior are thoughtfully designed, with stylish finishes and practical features that make life on the road comfortable and convenient. Skydancer Cabrio. The Skydancer Cabrio is a unique and modern motorhome built for travelers who want comfort, style, and a special experience on the road. Designed on a reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, it features a smart two-level layout that separates the driving cabin from the living area, giving passengers more space and privacy. One of its standout features is the 360-degree surround view driving cabin, offering excellent visibility and a feeling of openness while on the road. Its exterior is sleek and minimalist, while the interior is contemporary and creative, moving away from traditional RV layouts to provide a fresh and stylish atmosphere. At the back, travelers can choose from 3 different bed designs, making it easy to customize for comfort and convenience. The Skydancer Cabrio comes with a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine producing 140 to 180 horsepower, with options for 6 manual or 9 automatic gears, ensuring smooth and powerful driving. SLRV Iveco Eurocargo. The SLRV Iveco Eurocargo is a tough yet luxurious expedition motorhome made for people who love real off-road adventures. Built on the powerful Iveco Eurocargo truck, it offers great control with sharp approach angles and a small turning radius, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver on rough terrains. This motorhome is designed to take you far off the beaten path while still giving you the comfort of home. Step inside its spacious 5.5-meter body, and you'll find a well-thought-out living space that includes a bedroom, a cozy lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a toilet, and a shower room. To top it off, it even has a built-in garage large enough to carry a motorcycle, giving you extra freedom to explore once you've set up camp. On the performance side, the Eurocargo is built to handle rugged roads with confidence. Stella Vita. The Stella Vita is a one-of-a-kind solar-powered motorhome that shows us what the future of travel could look like. Built by students from Eindhoven University of Technology in the Netherlands, it's the world's first fully self-sustaining RV that runs only on the power of the sun. Its large solar panels cover the roof and can generate enough energy to drive up to 450 miles on a sunny day, while also powering everything inside. That means you can cook in the kitchen, take a shower, use the toilet, and even watch TV without needing fuel or plugging in. When parked, the roof can lift up, giving the interior more space and turning it into a comfortable living area. The design is sleek, modern, and completely focused on sustainable living. While it's still a concept vehicle, Stella Vita proves that renewable energy can change the way we explore the world. It shows how motorhomes can be eco-friendly while still offering comfort and freedom. STX Horsebox. The STX Horsebox is a top-of-the-line vehicle built for riders who want safe, comfortable, and reliable transport for their horses. Constructed on a strong Volvo FH chassis, it can carry up to 8 horses while keeping them comfortable during long trips. The horse area is carefully monitored with a dedicated system, and the back entrance and skylight make loading and unloading easier. For drivers, the cabin is equipped with leather seats, an automatic transmission, and front and rear cameras to make driving and maneuvering simpler and safer. The STX Horsebox comes in different models, each with unique features that affect the price. For example, a new 6-horse pop-out model costs around $281,200, including VAT, while a used 2009 model can be found for about $160,000. Tabert Cellini 750 HTD. The Tabert Cellini 750 HTD is a luxurious caravan built for travelers who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. Measuring 10.27 meters long and 2.5 meters wide, it sits on a strong dual-axle Alco chassis with shock absorbers, giving a smooth and stable ride. Weighing up to 3,500 kilograms, it's designed for safety and reliability. The caravan comes with modern features like solar panels, a TV antenna, and optional extras such as an awning, outdoor entertainment center, and a security system, making it perfect for long trips or family vacations. Inside, there are 4 cozy beds and 7 windows that open for fresh air and natural light. With an interior height of 196 centimeters and exterior height of 265 centimeters, the space feels open and comfortable. Volkner Mobile Performance S. The Volkner Mobile Performance S is one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever created, combining pure luxury with smart engineering. What makes it stand out is its built-in garage, big enough to carry a Bugatti or any car up to 4.6 meters long. This means you can take your dream car with you wherever you travel. Designed by German experts, this motorhome offers a fully customizable interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. You can choose features like wooden or stone sinks, a high-end convection oven, heated seats, or even massage chairs to create your own perfect space. Every detail has been crafted to give travelers maximum comfort and elegance on the road. The spacious living area, stylish finishes, and top-quality equipment make it feel like a moving 5-star hotel. Whether you're camping in the countryside or driving across Europe, the Performance S ensures you never compromise on comfort. Zero Squared Aurora. The Zero Squared Aurora is a stunning tiny home on wheels that blends smart design, comfort, and sustainability in one compact package. Built with high-quality materials, it offers durability while maintaining a modern, stylish look. Inside, every detail is carefully planned to make the most of the space, from the cozy sleeping area to the efficient kitchenette and well-equipped bathroom. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. The Aurora is designed for eco-friendly living, with features that reduce your environmental footprint without sacrificing luxury. Whether you're traveling full-time or looking for a unique home base, this model provides a comfortable lifestyle with the freedom to move wherever adventure calls. With its thoughtful layout, ample storage, and elegant finishes, the Zero Squared Aurora makes tiny living not just practical, but truly enjoyable.